Indigenous groups in the north know the benefits from having full-time professionals working for their communities. But the reality, colonial governments don't always understand the return on investment, which results in piecemeal funding and no guarantee of longevity for these programs. That's why Northern Harvesters and Guardian Monitors are collaborating on how to improve their data collection and reporting in a way that translates to more territorial and federal dollars.
For the bones in the fish head, they ate so much of it.
Meet the EMAGHOK monitors, who help protect the lands and water from negative impacts that could happen from increased tourism and climate change from the newly permanent Inuvik to Tuktoyaktuk Highway.
We record what we see. The tourism that was coming along the highway, we ended up talking to a lot of tourists in the summertime. I can't remember how many pamphlets we had out the first year, but we ran out of pamphlets because of tourism.
Essentially, they do the jobs of highways, infrastructure, and Department of Lands. Before folks like LENNIE EMAGHOK and Joshua Teddy started in 2018, there was little to no enforcement on fisheries in the area. Now they're learning from other land-based programs how to streamline their reporting systems.
Pretty amazing to meet other people that are doing the monitoring or harvesting or Guardian program that they're doing. It's pretty awesome, and it would be nice one of these days to see go to their town and see what kind of they do on a regular basis, or daily report, or
The 4-day gathering is organized by Make Way, a national not-for-profit aimed at advancing community well-being.
Typically, research or monitoring or education aren't done in these sort of land-based professional capacities, and it's looking at sort of flipping the narrative around. Yes, this is actually really effective food security programming. This is really effective mental health programming. This is really effective environmental monitoring program. This is really effective restorative justice. These are actually suicide prevention programs, all that sort of thing. And that's not well understood outside of our communities.
The goal is for Indigenous outdoor programs to better evaluate, calculate, and communicate their return on investment, to shift the status quo on where money and resources are allocated. For instance, Northerners know that the most nutritious food comes from the land and the water, but the biggest federal subsidies like Nutrition North are found in grocery stores and not in local harvesting programs. Local harvesting programs can be found here on the traditional lands of the Yellowknives Dene First Nation, with gathering host and participant Tchinta Bush University. As demand for programs like Tchinta grows, so do the needs for increased funding. Thanks to the gathering, Tchinta plans to create a dashboard of their data available anytime, anywhere.
It is out there on social media, it is on our website, but to have this dashboard showcase all that all year round, any time of the year, we will have those numbers updated daily. And that's what I'm getting excited about, this database. Like, we can see it if we get a call from somebody or a community member or funders. It's already there calculating itself every day that way we do the reporting.
Morritt-Jacobs, APTN National News, Mackenzie Island.